There is this thought running through my mind, and I don't want to let it go without saying it to somebody. Hello, guys, welcome to my Facebook page. How are you all doing? Happy summer and happy holiday. As you can see, this morning I am so super excited. I know there is someone also feeling the same way. You could be imagining what is the reason for your happiness. Sometimes when something like that happens, at the same time you'll be having negative thoughts. Let me tell you one thing. When your future is so bright, sometimes the negativity, I don't know how to put that word, because if you are a Christian, sometimes don't believe what the devil or the Satan can do, what the Satan can achieve when it comes to your case. You feel everything is not working the way you want it, or you will be thinking, how will this bright future come to reality? Sometimes you just feel like the future is dark. No, my dear, beautiful, great souls, I will tell you, when you start to have feelings, just believe that everything has started working, turning around for your good. I don't know who this word will lift up his soul. I don't know what you are passing through right now, but if this word is for you, it will get you. You will be lifted with this word. Stay blessed. I hope to see you soon. Enjoy your wonderful, great holiday.
Beautiful.